Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today's new topic is writing linear equations in point slope form. So we're taking the same concept every day and we're just applying little fresh things. Okay? We're still working on the 2 points and a point and a slope where we get this as an answer, and we need to convert this to match this. Okay? So it's a lot of converting. I need everybody to be on the ball with that. All right. First example is with 2 points. Went ahead and did the format a little different this time, so it's a lot easier to see. Work it out, then we convert these and go back. All right. So of course, with 2 points, we need to find the slope, and then work it out with y equals mx plus b. So let's do the slope. M equals y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, parentheses minus parentheses over parentheses minus parentheses. Don't forget to label x1, y1, x2, y2, and we just put them in as normal. y2, y2, that's negative 8. y1, y1, that's negative 5. x2 is 1. Then x1 is 2. Putting this in the calculator, negative 8 minus negative 5, you should get negative 3 on top. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. But if you did it in the calculator, it'll probably just give you 3. That's my slope. Remember, you're using the calculator on your phone or on a Chromebook, and you should be good to go. All right. Now let's work it out with y equals mx plus b. All right. Y equals mx plus b border. Let's use one of the points. Use the first one. Let me write it down here. 2, negative 5, and I'll label it xy. So we have the slope, x and y. Y is negative 5, m is 3, x is 2, plus b. It's the same repetitive thing, ladies and gentlemen. 3 times 2, 6. Bring down the negative 5. Bring down the plus b. Remember, we wanted to say b equals, so I need to move this 6. Moving that 6 over turns into a negative 6. And make sure you read negative 6 minus 5 calculator, negative 11. Okay. Using the 2 pieces of information, my answer is y equals 3x with minus 11. All right. And now we just need to convert. You need to convert to make sure whichever one of these matches that. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 2, 6. Bring everything down. Need to say y equals. Need to move that 5 here. That's plus 5. Have my y equals. Remember when we say, okay, the 5 and the 6 are partners. 3x, 5 plus 6 is positive 11. Is this the same as that? It is not, because we have a plus 11. We're looking for minus 11. So we got to work out the second one. Let's do it. Okay. 3 times x, 3x, 3 times -1, -3. Bring down the y plus 8. We need to move the positive 8. Moving the positive 8 makes it -8. Now we got my y equals. Of course, same thing. -3 and -8 are partners. Make sure you read it correctly. -3 minus 8, -11. Is this the same as this? Yes, it is. So my answer would be B. Is it a lot of work? It is. It is. But I would rather just show you one way to keep doing it and you just build off of that one way. So just become comfortable with working out a lot of stuff because, I mean, the more practice you get, the more perfect you get at it, okay? Next one. Pointing the slope. So this one's a little bit easier since they already gave me the slope. So we just work it out. Slope is my m value. 3 is x, 5 is y. So let's just work it out. Y equals mx plus b. Who's my y value? 5. M value, 5 over 3. X value, 3 plus b. And we just go at it again, ladies and gentlemen. 5 over 3 times 3. Use your calculator. It's going to be 5. Holy shoots. Oh no, we're good. Yeah, we're good, I think. This is going to be a little different. Plus b. Bring down that 5. 5 has to move, but something's going to happen. I have -5 plus 5. That turns to negative. Bring down that positive 5 to give me my b value. It's going to look a little weird. -5 plus 5, calculator. That gives me 0. So, I have my slope. I have my b. So let's still write the same thing. Y equals 5 over 3 x, and you could put the plus 0. You don't have to because plus 0 is nothing, so you really just have to put y equals 5 over 3x, but the plus 0 helps us out. And now we just work it out. This is such a messed up problem, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to see something super funny, I think. X 5 over 3 times -3 is a -5. Yeah, it's going to happen to both. Throw it over, that's a plus 5. Y equals 5 over 3 x. These guys got to be added together. -5 plus 5. That's a 0. And then the same thing's going to happen to b. So that was my fault. I should have put something else, but that was my fault. But the point is, make sure you convert and you see that these two match up and you'll be good to go. Okay? That's all you need to do. If you have any questions, please come to my tutoring hours or anything else. Send me an email, send me a remind text, and I'll message you right away. Okay? Have a good day.